Wow. As we speak, Pi Network is currently sitting below 50 cents. So now the question is, what is really going on with Pi Network? Why this consistent downtrend? We're going to find out in this video. Let's go, guys. So there's this article that I want you to see right now. Pi Network trades around 48 cents today, but is a massive token unlock about to derail its climb. There have been some new developments about Pi Network. Just recently, a platform called Zipto enters into the KYB Pi Network list. Zipto app is now integrated into Pi Network. But one thing that you should have in mind is that all this introduction of apps and all those things in KYB really would not affect the price of Pi. What would really affect the price of Pi is the updates, the information that the PiCore team is giving out to the masses, and also the tokenomics. The numbers is what matters, right? The tokenomics and the amount of people that are trading Pi coins is what will surge the price high, not the KYB update that we've been getting. But anyway, nonetheless, we're going to look at everything and then now draw a conclusion as to if we should still continue to hold on to our Pi Network coins or we should sell off and look elsewhere, because as it stands right now, we have to be realistic with one another. But before I continue, I would like to talk to you about this project. I would like to show you this particular project that I just discovered, and I think you also should look into investing into this project because it is going to be massive, it's going to be big. Now, the name of this project is Pepe, right? We all know Pepe. Now, when you look at Pepe, now you can see the price is currently holding 0.000009. That's 5 zeros. Ever since Pepe was launched in May 2023, Pepe has gotten as high as 0.00002, right? Now, there's a very huge chance for you to make so much money out of this particular project, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, the first reason why I think you should consider this project is the fact that this project is a popular project. Right now, it's currently sitting at number 28 in CoinMarketCap. It is ranked the 28th out of 9,490 active cryptocurrency listed on CoinMarketCap. That is the number one reason why I think you should invest some money into this project. Just look at the work that has been put in to their website. You can see how the website looks like. And then if you want to purchase, it's very, very easy to purchase. Just make sure that you fund your wallet, right? You pay from that wallet to the website, right? You connect your wallet over here. When you fund your wallet, you connect your wallet, and then you can swap your Solana. You can fund your Phantom wallet. You connect it over here, and you can swap some Solana for your Pepe if you want to buy. It's very, very straightforward, very, very easy. And also have in mind, in the first round of their pre-sale, they've raised way over $3.5 million in a very short while. So that's also what you should also consider. And then another thing again you should look at that is a great flag for this project is their Twitter score. As you can see over here that their Twitter score is normal, which means that they're getting a reasonable amount of engagement. You can see that their followers is sitting at 3.32 million. A lot of attention. If you are very familiar with crypto, you will know that attention means high numbers in crypto. This is no cap. You can make an easy 1000x from this particular project. Just be very smart, invest some money, keep it logged. Please invest only what you can afford to lose. As much as we can make so much profit from this particular project, we can also run out loss. So be very, very wise with your investment. But then I am locked in with this particular project. I intend to make a lot of money from Pepe. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. For those of you that are interested in buying Pepe, for those of you that are interested in investing in Pepe, I'm going to leave the link in the description. The first link, you go there and you get some tokens for yourself and keep it, hold some tokens for yourself. So now let's get back to the video. Pi Network price forecast. Social chatter tilts bearish as core team offloads 5.8 million Pi token. Now that is exactly the reason why Pi has been going down. They just unlocked 5.81 million Pi token. I expect that this thing will not go down. People are selling. And why exactly will people be selling immediately they get their token? It is simply because the core team is not being communicative enough as they should be. To be honest with you, I, for one, am very exhausted. I'm tired about this whole Pi Network back and forth thing because we are not getting anything. We're not getting any information from the Pi Core team. So as most people got their token, all they did was exchange their token for USDT straight up. So that is exactly the reason why Pi Network is going down. That's basically the reason why Pi Network is going down. And to be honest, to be real, I don't see Pi Network recovering from this price anytime soon, unless a very big news comes up about Pi Network, and we are looking forward to that. But as it stands right now, the Pi Network project is shaky, very shaky, and that is because the core team are not communicating enough as they should. Now, the only interesting update we've gotten so far about Pi Network is Zipto that just integrated their platform into Pi Network KYB. Other than that, there's nothing interesting, there's nothing new, there's nothing innovative from the Pi Core team recently. So the silence regarding Pi Network have gotten a lot of people frustrated that they are starting to sell their tokens. They are no longer holding. So that's basically what I came here to talk about regarding Pi Network. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.